that one in my previous video, so I thought I might do it now. I didn't drop the egg, but I could have. Anyway, in this lesson, I'm gonna teach you about person grammar. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. So yeah, we're gonna talk about the first person, which is I, or me sometimes. In some certain situation you say me, but anyway, it's I. And the Swedish I is jag. So every time you want to describe something you are or something you do, you use jag. And I draw a picture here too. Show you. So this is jag. So that was one example when you use this is me, you know. So this is jag. So yeah, nice, hey? Yay! The next one is the you form. It's only one word. So it's do, you. Rhyme. Anyway, that's easy. Move on. She, hon. She is hon. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Han, he. Han, he. Yay. This is another picture I draw too. We'll see if you understand this one. Ta-da! So what I'm explaining here is this is me, jag, plus other people. So this is me when I'm involved in a group. It's we. When I'm talking about what we are doing, what we are, vi. It's vi. So basically, we, yeah, easy, hey? That's very easy. Yeah, I want to make it very obvious so you basically do understand. I know languages can be complicated for you, so we make it simple. Anyway, so this is another picture. I'm sure you can guess this one. So this is me, jag, I. When I'm not involving in this group I'm talking about. So you would say you guys or you. We say ni. Sorry, I needed to think which way it was. But we're right now. So if you're talking about directly to a person in another group that you're not involved in, you say ni. So ni. That's when you're talking to someone who is in another group who's supposed to do something or are something. Ni. Yeah, you. Ni. It also means like you use this word as you use like Mr., Sir, Miss or Mrs. to people you don't know or to older people. It's a nice way of saying it. It's the same here in Sweden. So if you're talking to someone you don't know or like an older person, you say ni just to yeah, be nice, don't be rude, you know. So yeah, that was that one there. Yay! Yeah, that's it. Now we're coming to the complicated ones. So you say it, yeah, and probably that. We have the same, and it's den or det. I'm gonna make this simple for you. Okay, so if you're talking about a specific thing or an animal or maybe a plant, use a specific one. You're talking about that one. You're using den. So den. Yeah, so you can basically say that or that one, explain den. So every time you want to use that, you say den. And det would explain it. You're talking about a general thing or a general, you don't talking about a specific thing, you're just talking about general it. So you say det. Yeah, that was the easy way. So basically we can say that one, specific one, general one, it, det. Den, det. Yay! So I'm wondering if my Swedish teacher would like when I'm saying this. Anyway, we will be okay. I will survive. So, and the next one is when you're talking about they. you're talking about a group, but you're not talking directly to the group. You're talking about the group and what they're doing or what they are. You say det, or like things. It can also be a group with things or other stuff like or people too. Yeah, I'm just gonna say this too actually about den and det. You don't use this one to people. You wouldn't call a baby it. No. Saying very seriously. Anyway, so you don't say this to people, to a person. You can talk about that person over there, but you don't say it to them, straight away to them. You can say that person, but you won't call a baby, it. So no, you don't. Not to people, to other things, or animals, or plants. Yeah, otherwise it would be rude. Anyway, back to det. So basically this translates to day. If you're talking about day over there, or these books here, or yeah, it's det. So it can be, yeah, general things. It can be people, things, something you do, something there are. Things, animals, or cats and stuff. Yeah, cats. It's involved in animals, isn't it? Anyway, that's det. Yay! So that was it. Now we're going to talk about fun things. So now we're going to make a sentence. So you say I, like am, is, or are. Like you are, I am, we are, or he is. You know, to explain is, are, or am, we only have one word to explain what we are, and that's är. It will never change. It's always going to be är. Even if you put like singular form, he is, han är, it's going to be. Or if you put like more than one person, oops, sorry, or if you put more than one person, it would be, sorry, ni är. So it doesn't matter if it is more than one form, single or plural, it doesn't matter. It's still going to be är. It doesn't change. So yeah, är. So now we're going to play with är. So as I was teaching you the color lost in my previous video, basically. So I thought that we should have a little bit fun with those those words. So I will see if you get this one. I'm gonna just explain what I am. So I'm gonna be a color, basically. So jag är, take that one, gul. Yeah, I'm yellow. Hope you got it. Why would I be yellow? We change it. We do it again. We do it again. So we do it again. But we're talking about you instead. So du är brun. You are brown. Usually we can say this one if we mean that someone is tanned, or yeah, well, basically, yeah. So that's when we're using that one. And that's that one. I'm gonna teach you another word actually, so you can be practicing this word. It's a very good word to know actually, so you can say this one to me. It will be fun. So I'm gonna teach you the word pretty, but this is only in single forms. You can say this word in more than one person form, or one in plural form basically, because then you need to change the word. So I'm only going to teach you the single form, and then we'll get to more when it is plural later on. So I'm just going to teach you pretty, the word pretty. It's snygg. So this one you only use snygg, single form, when you're talking about single form. Okay? One person. One person. So I'm going to teach you something and see if you get it. To next week. So, okay, or to next week talk. Could be fun. So I told you that you can put like when you want to say you are, you say jag är, but you can also put before jag, which going to be a question instead. Instead of explaining something about what you are something and what we are, you're asking something. So every time you put this one first, you ask. It's going to be a question. It's the same for you if you put is or are. It's the same basically. So I'm gonna ask you a question now, and I'm gonna answer it too. So you will see. So I'm starting with är jag snygg? Oh, look at this one. Now I'm gonna answer it. Du är snygg. So that was for you. I hope you can find out what I actually was asking and answering. I'm sure you can. And I talk to you soon. I love you. Bye.
Nossa, nossa, assim você me mata. Ai, se eu te pego.